we will send parachutes on the guns of the force. Get ready, airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door, we're coming. Make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachutes. Get all those gliders ready to attack today. Go, go!
And on the 24 days of Knifemas, my true love gave to me this Boker Plus Advent Calendar. We are building this knife. Today is the 21st of December. And I don't have to be to work until 10, so here we are right now. Let's go ahead and open up this box. And check out that bolster. That is a beautiful bolster. If I've ever seen bolsters that were beautiful, that's right. Yesterday was a long day. I smashed my finger. So that was just so very awesome. So let's go ahead and add this to what we already have. So up here we have 2 of the darkened bolsters, and now we add a brass bolster. All right, thank you so very much for spending this time here with me today, going on this journey. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all those things. I still need to drink coffee this morning. And just think, in only 3 more days, we're going to have a knife day.
We will send parachutes on the guns of the forces. Get ready, airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door, we're coming. Make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute.